Let's go ahead and add a little highlighter. So we know that when highlighting, we're trying to make parts of the face pop. But when airbrushing, you really need to control placement because you do run the risk of the reflective pigment landing in areas you don't want it to land. So the key points to applying highlighter with an airbrush: low air pressure and close placement to the skin, thus preventing the product from flying outside where we want it to go. I'm gonna go ahead and go on low, and I'm gonna go ahead and angle right where the light would bounce off of her face, and little itty bitty circles to create that reflection. I am using my hand to prevent any overspray to go onto areas I don't want it to go. Sticking with the high points and remembering where the air is blowing is where the product is going. Now, the cool thing about airbrushing highlighter is quick placement in other parts of the makeup. Close your eyes for me real quick. Inner corners of the eye to get a nice reflective pop, even using it on the eyelid or under the brow bone, and even right here on the Cupid's bow. All kinds of places for placement with highlighter.